Hello students. Now I am going to start the next topic of features of physical features of India, that is formation of the Himalaya. Now formation of the two physical features of India, Himalayas and the northern plain, are interrelated and connected with the drifting of plate. So here we have to discuss or see how the great Himalaya and the northern plain of country formed. Now before we start the formation of Himalaya, first we have to see the history of earth. Now during the Paleozoic and Mesozoic era, it means 300 million to 570 million years ago, the earth didn't have 7 continents like North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Antarctica, and Australia. There was one massive continent. This one massive continent which called Pangaea. Now as you can see in this map, that all the present continent, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America, Europe plus Asia, Eurasia, Africa, all these continents were interconnected and it was called supercontinent Pangaea. And this supercontinent Pangaea, surrounded by a single ocean called Panthalassa. Here the Panthalassa, this one also a Panthalassa. Here we have to discuss about the disintegration of Pangaea. Now during Jurassic period, it means about 220 million years ago, this Pangaea broke by the same reason that the plates are moving today. And the movement is caused by the convection current that roll over in the upper zone of mantle and which divides the crust into different fragments. So in this way the Pangaea broke and it leads the formation of two lands. The first was in your northern part and the second was in your southern part. Equator is here. So the northern part it called Angara land or Laurasia and the southern part called Gondwana land. Now as well as one sea also, and that was Tethys Sea. Now the Gondwana land included India, Australia, Antarctica, Africa and South America as one single land, and it was also located in southern hemisphere. On the other hand, the Eurasia and North America were in northern hemisphere. Now here I am going to explain you the formation of fold mountains. Now here I have made 3 figures, figure A, figure B and figure C. So with the help of these 3 figures, I will explain you that how the fold mountains formed. Now look at first figure A. Here is Tethys Sea. Now this Tethys Sea divides the landmass, two landmass, Angara land or Laurasia and in north and Gondwana land, land, the spelling of land Land in south. Now Tethys Sea extended from Europe in west to China in east, and both lands have sediments in on the coast. दोनों ही लैंड के कोस्ट पे sediments हैं. The sediments on the bed where there is erosion as well as deposition to be the same time, and lots of sediments accumulated here. यहाँ पे इरोजन भी होता रहता है और सेडिमेंट्स का डिपोजिशन भी होता है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा सेडिमेंट्स यहीं पे इकट्ठे होते जाते हैं. And due to continuous accumulation of sediments and rising in pressure, the accumulated sediments fall down. And now look at the figure B. जब प्रेशर बढ़ता जाता है और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सेडिमेंट्स इकट्ठे होते जाते हैं तो नीचे की तरफ ये धंसता जाता है और इसका शेप ऐसे बन जाता है. एंड दिस शेप इज कॉल्ड geosyncline. Now, what is geosyncline? But before we know about geosyncline, first we have to know about anticlines and syncline. So look at here. Now, this is anticline and this is syncline. Now, anticlines are fold in which each half of the fold dips away from the crust, and synclines are dips towards the crust. ये crust के करीब होता है और ये crust से दूर होता है. तो जो ये portion होता है उसे हम anticline कहते हैं और इसे हम syncline कहते हैं. And geosyncline, when the earth crust within which vast amount of sediments accumulated is called geosyncline. तो यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा सेडिमेंट्स इकट्ठा हो गया है, इसीलिए हम इस पोर्शन को geosyncline कहते हैं. As well as at the same time the compression from both the plate, Eurasian plate and Indian plates will also increase. So due to accumulation of sediments, due to rising in pressure and due to compression from both the plates, let's folding and faulting. This is a folding and faulting means दरारें आ जाना बीच में. तो ये folding हो जाता है. जो ऊपर की यहाँ से दोनों प्लेट्स एक साथ मुड़ते दबाव डालते हैं, प्रेशर डालते हैं, कंप्रेस करते हैं तो बीच का हिस्सा ऊपर की तरफ फोल्ड होने लगता है. एंड व्हेन दीज एक्टिविटीज हेल्प ग्रेजुअली इट विल राइजेस अपवर्ड्स. जब लगातार ये एक्टिविटी होती रहती है तो ऊपर की तरफ ये बढ़ता रहता है. एंड ड्यू टू दिस प्रोसेस द fold mountains formed, and Himalaya has been also formed at the same process in millions of years. The convectional current of the mantle split the crust into number of pieces which we call the fragments or tectonic plates, like Eurasian plate, North American plate, South American plate, African plate, Antarctican plate. Here the Pacifican plate and Indo-Australian plate. Now this Indo-Australian plate, after getting separated from the Gondwana land से separate होकर this Indo-Australian plate drifted slowly towards the north. Separating from the Gondwana land, the Indian plate was here about 70 million years ago, and slowly it drifted to northward direction, and in about 50 million years ago it nears to equator, and the northward drift resulted in the collision of the plate with much larger plate Eurasia. अपने से बड़े यूरेशियन प्लेट के साथ इसका कोलिजन हुआ. एंड दिस द नॉर्दर्न एज, ये नॉर्थन एज है, दिस नॉर्दर्न एज ऑफ द इंडियन प्लेट was pushed beneath the Eurasian plate, and this collision resulted in the accumulation of sedimentary rocks in the geosyncline, which called the Tethys, and Tethys were folded to form the Himalayas and other mountain system of Western Asia. So in this way, the great Himalaya of India has been formed. Now here I am going to explain you that how the northern plain and the Arabian Sea were formed. Now here the Himalaya was formed, and to the south of Himalaya a basin or depression was formed here, and this depression was gradually filled by the sediments brought by the rivers from Himalaya. So the North Indian plain was born between the Himalayas and the peninsular plateau. So a flatland, extensive alluvial deposits led to the formation of northern plain of India, which is very important for agriculture point of view, and it spread from Punjab to Assam, and it formed by three rivers, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Now when the Himalayas were being formed, one more physical feature formed near India, and that is Arabian Sea. Now you all have know here is Arabian Sea, but before the Arabian Sea here was one big mountain, एक बहुत बड़ा पहाड़ था, in which an extensive volcanic eruption took place in the northwestern part of India, and slowly this part changed into big depression. ये पूरा हिस्सा एक डिप्रेशन में, एक बहुत बड़े गड्ढे में बदल गया, and it was occupied by, or this depression was occupied by Indian Ocean, and thus Arabian Sea was formed. So in this way it was formed within the past roughly 50 million years as the Indian subcontinent collided with Asia.